Right, so engine bay, we've got K&N air filter, HKS piping. The engine cover's just come off, which is good. So looks more race car like that, I guess. Can't really see them too well, but we've got some canards on the front. Got 2 canards here. There you go, see them better this side. Look pretty good. I'm gonna go around this side because it's better lighting. Were the wheels black standard?
No, they were spray black.
Spray black wheels. Got some stickers here and there. And his Instagram, go follow him up. Right, H&R lowering springs all round. Fully HKS exhaust system apart from the cats. Got a pretty funny sticker here. Grampy's car. And yeah, that's pretty much it. To be honest, it's simple, but it's like really cool at the same time. So yeah, that's the setup for this car. But you got big plans for it then?
Just intercooler, get a map on it, which takes about 220 with injectors and 3-port. 220,
yeah.
And then I'll be happy with it then save up and get a Sylvia. That's next.
Oh, okay. What, S14?
Yeah.
Nice, nice, nice. Alright, so yeah, 220. It's pretty good power for one of these. Anyways, about 900 kg. Fully stripped out, I'll show you a bit more of that in a minute. But yeah, it's quite quick. It pulls you back and it's like, and we were not up against, but we had a Astra VXR off the line earlier, and that was, you know, pretty cool. So, but yeah, let me get some cinematic shots for you now and show you interior. So, tell you fully stripped out, no carpets, no nothing, no back seats, fully stripped out. Got my GoPro down there as well, which will be going onto the exhaust. So yeah, that's pretty good. Got some footage inside as well. But yeah, let's get these cinematic shots for you.
I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my style. Darling, where were you when my heart